My name is Yolanda, and I live in Pasig City with my husband, Enrique. And we just had our bathroom remodeled by Done Right Home Remodeling. I got this home improvement magazine. There were several contractors, and I saw Done Right Remodeling. And I said, why don't I try this? And I called them. They went over to our bathroom, and then they checked everything. But one thing I noticed about Liz is that she was meticulous about the nooks and crannies of our bathroom. Oh, you know, this should be done like this. What do you think? And I said, oh, baby, that's good. She was very personable, very, very friendly. And we somehow connected.
And she gave us a competitive price.
And she gave us a virtual 3D design of what she's going to do to our bathroom. And she walked us through all the details of the bathroom that she's going to build for us. And that really impressed us. Liz, with regards to communication, she always wants to have an open communication with us. And she would give us briefly of what her plans are for on a day-to-day basis. Every question we ask, she doesn't think it's not a good question. It's, you know, there's always an answer to everything.
We're very satisfied with the results of the bathroom.
Without a doubt, we will surely recommend Done Right Home Remodeling and Liz to anyone, to our friends, relatives.